In this video help, I'm going to be covering the Purchase Portal screen. The Purchase Portal works in conjunction with the Purchase screen. It is the individual purchase order information that you found in the purchase screen. So if you had to remove an item, the product in the portal, for example, in this case, this is the product for the Goodnight Gorilla line in the portal. Let's just jump over there and I'll show you what I'm talking about. If we go over to the purchase screen, you'll see that that is this item right here. The way you actually can view this is to go to the end of the row, to go to the portal and click the icon at the end of the row, and you will get that particular item that was ordered and the information. In this case, let's return one more time and notice that the item up here is the one that we were looking for that is missing one of them. It was down by one item. Compared to the 6 that it was ordered, we got 5. Let's go look at that item. What you would normally do at this point, if you had a short shipment, as it shows here in the purchase history, there was one item that was short shipped. This is the item that we're talking about. So what you would do is you would create an RMA for tracking for that item. You would get an RMA number from the company that shipped it, short shipped it to you, put the date of the RMA, the quantity that was missing, the status, in this case it would be missing from shipment, and then later if you receive the quantity, the additional one, you would put that in and the date, and then the total for the number that were either not shipped or shipped. Then you would have to return to your purchase order if you received it and add the $30 to a new payment for the item that was received. Now, in the history, you could note that you received it and what you did is as far as the follow-up on the portal item. If for some reason you wanted to delete an entire line from this, say like this particular one, if you did not want to order it, you can remove it from the purchase order by clicking this icon, which will delete the item for this record. And it would take out the individual item. Do not try to delete the portal record in the actual purchase screen. You would delete it in this screen. As with all the other products and screens, you need to commit the record once you make the edits if you're on the browser, on the web, or revert it back to the original information before you started editing it. You can also do, in this screen, you can do a find and perform the find for any item that was in the portal records. For example, if I wanted to look up all the records for this particular type of item to see if there was a problem in the past with it, I could do a find based on the part number, and then it would bring up a list of all the records. You could then cycle through them by hitting the plus and minus keys to go back and forth to look at these records, or you can go to the list view and view all the items that you put into that particular find, and they would show up on this list. Basically, that would give you the ability to go back and locate the information that you wanted to look at. If you have any questions about this, as always, you can get a hold of me by clicking on the support icon to go to the support website. Thank you.